Meat. Everyone loves meat, and today we eat more meat than ever before. In 1935, the average American ate about 100 pounds of meat every year. Today, the average American eats around 220. Meat consumption has more than doubled. Of course, when demand rises so much, there are economic consequences. First of all, meat is very costly. For every kilogram of beef, you need 6.5 kilograms of plants, 15,000 liters of water, and 330 square meters of land. This isn't free, and despite this, your local Big Mac costs only $4. There's a reason for this. It's called government subsidies. It turns out that for every $1 of meat sold, the taxpayers and consumers pay another $1.70. This means that the government uses your money to pay meat producers to make meat appear cheap. So your $5 burger actually costs you $13. Furthermore, your kilogram of meat produces 16 kilograms of carbon dioxide, a bad greenhouse gas. It also produces 0.5 kilograms of methane, which is so bad that it is 20 times worse for the environment than carbon dioxide. We can go on and on, from cost to environment, disease, cruelty, getting fat, you get the idea. But you've heard this all before. Despite all these problems, people simply love meat, and so do I. And we can't change that. We have to accept that people are going to continue eating meat. So what can we do? We can't just not eat meat. Here's the solution: clean meat or lab-grown meat. I know, your reactions were probably something like this.
That's nasty.
Ugh, doesn't sound right.
I'm not really into lab-made things. It's unnatural.
It just seems off.
However, clean meat is really the future. It's free of toxins, pollution, animal cruelty, and all of the problems I've mentioned today. Here's how it works. First, technicians take a small amount of tissue from an animal to isolate individual cells that they can grow. This means providing warmth and oxygen as well as feeding them salts, sugars, and proteins. Essentially, these cells are tricked into thinking that they're still inside their owner. The cells then naturally replicate, as they would inside a body, and grow to look more and more like the food that we also love. The only problem is that it doesn't look exactly like the meat we are used to today yet. For now, we will have to deal with what we have until clean meat starts looking something like this.